Welcome to this quick win on unhoused individuals and enforcement with empathy. These situations are a consistent part of modern security work and require a thoughtful balance between enforcing site rules and treating people with dignity. Your role is not to solve homelessness, it's to manage the situation in front of you professionally, safely, and in accordance with your site's expectations. Start by assessing before acting. Take a moment to observe the individual's condition, behavior, and surroundings. Are they asleep, alert, intoxicated, or in distress? Are they alone or interacting with others? Are there hazards nearby, such as needles, open alcohol, or blocked access points? This quick assessment helps you determine whether you're dealing with straightforward enforcement or a situation that may involve medical, mental health, or safety concerns. Your approach will often determine the outcome. Avoid rushing in, standing over the individual, or using an aggressive tone. Instead, maintain a calm presence, give appropriate space, and use clear, respectful communication. In many cases, a simple and direct approach is most effective. Acknowledge the situation, then set the boundary. For example, you may recognize they are trying to stay warm while still explaining they cannot remain in a private or restricted area. That balance, respect combined with clarity, builds cooperation without escalating the interaction. It's important to understand that empathy is not the same as negotiation. You can acknowledge someone's situation without changing the outcome. Stay firm in your direction, avoid arguing, and do not take resistance personally. Some individuals may push back, question your authority, or ask for more time. Others may ignore you or test your limits. Your role is to remain steady, consistent, and professional. You are not there to win the interaction. You are there to manage it effectively. At the same time, always stay alert for signs of crisis. If the individual appears injured, incoherent, highly intoxicated, or in visible mental distress, your role may shift from enforcement to care and safety. This could involve contacting a supervisor, outreach resources, or emergency services, depending on your site procedures. Recognizing when enforcement is no longer the priority is a critical skill. When appropriate, you can offer direction to nearby shelters or support services. This should be done without making promises, simply providing options. Not every individual will accept help, and not every resource will be available, but offering direction when appropriate shows professionalism and awareness of the broader situation. If the individual is cooperative, allow reasonable time for them to gather their belongings and leave, while maintaining awareness and control of the space. Consistency is key in these interactions. Apply site rules fairly while adjusting your tone with empathy. Avoid language or behavior that could be seen as dismissive, sarcastic, or disrespectful. These situations are often visible to others, and your conduct reflects both your professionalism and your organization. Small details, tone, posture, patience can prevent unnecessary escalation. Emotional control is also essential. You may encounter frustration, resistance, or repeated interactions with the same individuals. It's important not to become cynical, reactive, or overly forceful. Professional guards understand that each interaction is an opportunity to apply standards consistently while maintaining composure. Finally, documentation matters. Record the location, behavior observed, instructions given, level of cooperation, any safety concerns, and the outcome. Keep your notes factual and objective, avoiding personal opinions or judgmental language. Good documentation protects you, supports your team, and helps ensure consistent responses moving forward. At its core, enforcement with empathy is about control of your emotions, your communication, and the situation itself. You can be firm without being aggressive and respectful without losing authority. That balance is what defines strong professional security work.